Welcome to HI-FLUENT English speaking course sponsored by NIGI English CARE. If you are looking for a complete HI-FLUENT English course, or do you feel frustrated when listening to English native speakers, or do you feel anxious or nervous when you are trying to communicate in English, or if your goal is to become fluent in English, this is the course to take. Hello there, my name is Das and I'm from India. I've been teaching English for 25 years. I have designed this full intermediate English course so that you can speak English very fluently with the effective way in your real life. And I hope you find this course helpful. This step-by-step teaching method will make you speak English more fluently. Take your English language skills from beginner to advanced, supercharge your English grammar and understanding, learn English speaking in common conversations topics with a live dialogue recording. And the benefits of this course is actually this high-fluent English speaking course is a full and complete course from beginner levels to advanced level. You can grow your confidence in everyday speaking topics and listen to a range of conversation recordings in real life English environment. And third one is you will learn communication skills and shortcuts to really talk just like a native English speaker. Not only that, learn simple and step-by-step method to grow your English language fluency and master the tricks that a native English speaker use. The last one is you will improve your English speaking, English listening, English vocabulary, English grammar, and English pronunciation skills. While still waiting, speed up your speaking and improve your listening skills to develop confidence in real English conversation. Feel free to learn and get started now.